Oh my God.
Hi.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning. In fact, today I got up at 5 o'clock, and
Yeah,
then then I found something to eat, and then
yeah.
because it just maybe 10 past 6, and then I went to bed and continued sleeping, and then I forgot to set up the reminder. Yeah, the alarm clock. That's why I did not get up on time. I'm sorry for this.
Yeah, no problem.
But I don't know why, because when it's 5 past 7, I suddenly got up and oh my goodness, it is late. I don't know why, but it's just like the I don't know how to express my ideas. But yeah, at that time I suddenly wake up. Yes. Okay, let me share the screen and then we can check your video. Yeah.
Could you tell me how much the cost is? Sure, it's 3 million.
How much the course is. Ở đây em với âm khá là hay. Yeah. With how much the course is. Now listen again.
Could you tell me how much the cost is?
Yeah, how much the course is.
Sure, it's 3 million Vietnam dong for the whole course. Do you think the
Mhm.
weather is coming more extreme this day? Yes, I think the weather is coming more extreme in recent years.
Extreme X. It has sound extreme. Not extreme,
Ah,
extreme. Yeah,
yeah.
right.
It's
Like excuse me or example X. Yeah.
it's straight. It's yeah.
The weather is coming more extreme in recent years. We have
Recent
more
years.
hot summer, heavy rainfall, earthquake, and flash floods, and so on. Can you tell me what time your shop opens? Sure, it
Very nice.
opens at 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Do you think Do you think if the restaurant is open? Uh, yes, I think it's open. It's usually open at 9 a.m. Have you any idea if she is coming tonight? Yes, she told me she was coming tonight. Do you have no, do you know how to book the plane ticket? How to book a plane ticket? Um, yeah, you can book online through through a website through an airline's website or a travel app. You
Okay, very good. That's nice. Okay. Wonderful. I have to say that, all right, yeah, your fluency is really nice. Yeah, but the pronunciation is, yeah, you should change a little bit in pronunciation and the intonation. Yeah. Put more feelings. Yeah. Wait for me. Oh, not this one. Wait, give me some seconds. Okay, yeah. Today we'll continue with our unit 8A, Angry Planet. Okay,
Yeah.
2 days ago we learned about how to give our suggestion, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Angry Planets. Yeah, do you know how many planets there are in the solar system? Can you name all the planets of the solar system? We have the Earth, and what else?
I don't, I don't
No.
understand.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, there are 8 planets in the solar system, and besides the Earth, we have 7 more planets. Yeah, let me write it for you.
Mm.
We have like Mars. We have Mars. Mars. Okay, we have to write the capital. Yes, Mars. And what else? Venus. Mars, sao hỏa, Venus,
Ah,
sao kim,
I don't know.
Mercury, sao thủy, yeah, Uranus, sao thiên vương, Neptune, là sao hải vương, um,
Kim,
Saturn là sao thổ, yeah, và Jupiter là mộc, yeah, và Earth là trái đất, yeah, and that's it. Most of the names are the gods in our Greek Greek myth, yeah, thần thoại Hy Lạp. Uranus, Neptune, Saturn, Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, and Mars. Okay, and today we'll study about angry planets. It's like yeah, our planet is angry, right? Okay, now let's move to the vocabulary and speaking. Yeah, here we'll learn about bad weather and natural disasters. Natural disaster, do you know what it means?
Disasters.
Disaster, thảm họa tự nhiên. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not related to human, but it's the nature. Yeah, the anger of the planet. Okay, here we have the storm. Storm, it's like Haiyan storm, right? A storm, it's how to say, it often happen in from July to October in Vietnam. Cơn bão, storm, and we have the word stormy. When there is storm, so we say the weather is stormy. We add our letter Y after it, and stormy is an adjective. And thunder.
Thunder.
Thunder is the very big, I don't know, very noisy sounds when there's the lightning.
Sét.
Yeah, sấm.
Sấm.
Thunder and lightning. Lightning là sét, là thunder là sấm. Lightning thì nó là tia sét, nhưng mà thunder nó chỉ là cái tiếng ung iung đấy thôi, uỳnh phát. Yeah. And the gale. Gale is very strong wind, very strong wind. It's not like a storm. It's just the wind. The storm is bão thì nó là một cái luồng không khí nó xoáy Yeah. Khi mà hai cái luồng khí lạnh và khí nóng nó gặp nhau và nó sẽ tạo thành một cột xoáy thì nó là storm. Nhưng mà gale nó chỉ là cơn gió mạnh thôi, nó không xoáy xoáy thành một cơn bão, mà gale nó chỉ là gió nó thổi nó thật là mạnh. Gale and hurricane.
Hurricane. Hurricane.
Hurricane is a superstorm. Yeah, a storm that is very, very strong. Like yeah, the storm like Haiyan or Matt Moore. Yeah, just last year.
Siêu bão.
Yes, right. It's a super, super strong storm. And a tornado. Tornado. Tornado thì nó cũng là, nó chỉ là cái nó giống như a gale nhưng mà nó xoáy tạo thành vòi rồng ấy. Yeah. Ở mình thì nó không phổ biến vòi rồng như ở Mỹ hoặc là các một số cái quốc gia mà nó hay có những cái bình nguyên ấy, sau đấy thì vòi rồng nó xoáy, nó giống như là một cái cột nước ấy, một cột không khí nó cứ xoáy đi chỗ này chỗ kia. Nhưng mà cái quy mô thì nó nhỏ hơn cái hurricane. Hurricane thì là nó là cơn bão rất là lớn. Yeah. Mình có thể soi từ trên trạm không gian, nó có thể nhìn thấy được nó hình thành như thế nào. Tornado thì nó chỉ là một một vòng xoáy, nó cái quy mô nó nhỏ hơn. Yeah. Bán kính nó chỉ vài 1, 2, 3 km thôi. Heat wave. Heat wave.
Wave là sóng.
Nó là một cái đợt nóng. Yeah. Cũng giống như mùa hè chẳng hạn, nó sẽ có những cái đợt gọi là heat wave, cái sóng sóng nhiệt từ mặt trời. Yeah. Heat wave, sóng nhiệt. Blizzard.
Blizzard.
It's a storm but it happens in winter and there's snow. Blizzard, bão tuyết. Tức là bão nhưng mà nó lại còn kèm theo cả tuyết nữa, nó xảy ra mùa đông và nó có tuyết. Blizzard, blizzard. A flood.
Lũ lụt.
Lụt, dạ đúng rồi, lũ lụt. Tsunami.
Tsunami. I don't know.
Cơn sóng thần. Tsunami, it's yeah, like the like it's like the wave in the sea, but it often happens after an earthquake. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tức là động đất nó làm cho cái mặt cái thềm mặt biển này, nó rung động và nó tạo thành các cơn sóng thần. Sóng wave thì nó là sóng thôi, như tsunami thì nó rất là lớn, nó rất là cao sóng và nó có thể đánh chìm tàu thuyền các thứ. Earthquake.
Động đất.
Đất. Yeah. A drought. Hạn hán. Yeah. Chúng ta có tính từ dry là khô và drought là danh từ, có nghĩa là hạn hán. It means that yeah, there's no rain in very long time, maybe 1 or 2 years. There's no rain and everything. Yeah, people need the water. And the last one is landslide. Landslide. Lở đất. Yeah. Lở đất, or maybe yeah, tức là một cái khối lượng đất nó rất là nhiều và nó đổ ập xuống. Yeah. Landslide. Okay, now repeat after me so we can practice our pronunciation. Okay, repeat after me. Storm.
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 Where's the storm?
Storm. Storm.
Storm. Okay, storm. No. Sao nghe em phát âm nó giống như là Tom mà không nghe thấy âm sờ mấy.
Storm. Storm.
Yes. Như này thì ok này. Storm.
Storm.
Thunder.
Thunder.
Yeah, right. Thunder. I'm thờ. Thunder.
Yeah.
Lightning.
Lightning.
A gale.
A gale.
Hurricane.
Hurricane.
Tornado.
Tornado.
Heat wave.
Heat wave.
blizzard,
Blizzard.
flood,
Flood.
tsunami. I'm sorry, tsunami.
Tsunami.
Here the T sound is silent. We do not say the tsunami. We say tsunami.
Tsunami. Yeah.
Earthquake,
Earthquake.
drought,
Drought.
landslide.
Landslide.
Okay. Yeah. Now it's time to discuss the questions.
Yeah. How do
Have
you
there been any stories about bad weather or natural disasters in the news recently? If so, where and what happened? In Thái Nguyên, right?
Yeah.
Well, or just 2 or 3 days ago, there was a very, very heavy rain.
Yeah.
It was, or yeah, how to say it? It was flooded. Yeah. What about you? Have you heard any stories about bad weather or natural disasters recently? Do you watch the news?
Mm, those floods in Lào Cai.
Ah, yes, the flood in Laogai.
We-
And some days ago, I heard about the landslide in Lai Châu, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, landslide in Lai Châu, and some people died. I do not remember exactly the number of people who were dead, but yeah, some people died because of the landslide, and it's the bad effects of deforestation. People chop down too many trees, and that's why when weather is extreme, so there could be a landslide.
Đấy gọi là lở đất ạ?
Yes, right. Like that. And number two, have you ever experienced very bad weather? If so, yeah, what happened?
Have you ever experienced very bad weather?
Experience. Ở đấy cái từ experience em cũng phải nhớ là có âm sờ này. Không phải experience, yeah, experience. Giống như vừa nãy có cái từ gì đấy nhỉ?
Cái gì?
Cái từ là trong cái video mà em quay có cái từ gì mà cũng thiếu âm sờ ấy.
Extreme.
Extreme, yes, right, extreme. Extreme. Very bad weather for me some days ago. Yeah, just some days ago there was very strong gale, and it was raining very heavily. That's why, yeah, I don't like that weather. What about you? Have you ever experienced very bad weather?
Cái này nghĩa là bạn đã
Đã từng trải nghiệm một cái lần mà thời tiết nó rất cực kỳ xấu.
Yes, hurricanes last year.
Yes, a hurricane last year. Right. What happened? There was flood, right? Heavy rain.
Yeah.
Yes, and there's a power cut. Yeah, because of the heavy rain, that's why there was thunder and lightning in the sky, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, the authority, they decided to cut the power. I mean the electricity, and there's no electricity in the whole city, and we couldn't go out to buy the food. We couldn't go out to have drink. Yeah, to have water, to buy water. That's why, yeah, the life was really terrible, and we had to wait for some days, and we had to wait for the charity or organizations to give food, yeah, to give us food and water, and it was really serious.
Yeah.
And sometimes people have to use the boat. Yeah, people have to sail the boat Yeah,
Mm.
because now I'm living in Quang Vinh and there's flood. Yeah, there's flood in this place, and yeah, we had to wait for the food, the water. Yeah.
I know you live in Dan, Thị Đan.
No, I'm living in Quang Vinh,
Oh my God.
Quang
Yeah.
Vinh Word. Bây giờ nó là phường Quan Triều, như lúc trước nó là phường Quang Vinh, và là cái vùng trũng nhất của thành phố Thái Nguyên. Okay. What about you? Yeah, have you ever experienced very bad weather?
Mm. Yeah. The last
Hurricane.
hurricane. Um, I I have experience in a food
A flood.
of
Okay.
I I I need to I need to move all of furniture
Oh yeah, all the
and
furniture.
come and go and went to the other house.
Yes, at the house. Yes, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, to stay. Yeah, right. Yes. Yeah, I can understand. And do you think the weather where you live has changed since you were a child?
Changing the weather where you live has
Yeah,
changed.
has changed.
Yes.
But
Um,
how? How did the
it
weather
changed a
change?
lot. Have now we have more rain,
Yes, now we have more rain.
loss, and have a lot of hurricanes.
Yes, I agree with you that the weather changed so much. Like in the past, I felt that in the past when I was 10 years old, for example, the weather, yeah, and in winter the weather was colder.
Yeah.
But now, yeah, winter is shorter, and I don't know how to say, but it's like the temperature is higher
Yeah.
than in the past. In the past, or yeah, there were some times that the temperature went down, and it's just about 5 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
But now the temperature is higher, and there's no the how to say the extreme cold days, very cold days. Yeah,
Yeah.
we don't have any something like that, and it seems that the winter is it's not as cold
Yeah.
as it was in the past. And some people say that it's the effect of our climate change and global warming.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. And that's yeah, the end of the discussion.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's move to reading. Yeah, before you read, check these words. Here we have prevent,
Prevent
to stop something to happen or to stop someone doing something.
stop
Prevent,
something.
ngăn chặn. Yeah, prevent.
Yes.
Melt,
Tan.
tan chảy. Yeah. Deep, so,
Deep.
so yeah. Erupt,
No, I don't know.
sụp đổ. Yeah.
What?
Yes, right. Evaporate.
Evaporate. I don't know. Evaporate.
Bốc hơi, bay hơi.
Evaporate.
Yeah, it's about water. Evaporate. Yeah, the water become the fog and become yeah, the stream. It's evaporate.
Evaporate. Evaporate. Prevent.
Okay. Now let's
Yeah.
more practice by answering the 5 questions. Number 1, can people predict where and when the earthquakes happen? Do you think people can predict where and when earthquakes will happen?
Predict that's
Predict, how to say, to forecast, predict, dự đoán, tiên tri, predict.
where and when earthquake will happen.
It's hard, right? Because there's no
Yeah.
sign.
It's hard.
Yes. It is really hard because it is not like the storm, because a storm may happen for some days and it needs time to be formed, right? Yeah, it needs time. A storm needs time to form, and it could happen in 2 or 3 days. Yeah, and people can see it from the satellite from the outer space, and it's quite easier to predict where and when the storm happen. But for the earthquake, it's very sudden. Yeah, just only 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah, and everything shakes, and then it happens in very short time, just some minutes. But that's why it's not easy for people to predict when the earthquakes may happen. What about number 2? What can people do to help prevent droughts?
What can
we do to prevent droughts?
To help prevent drought?
Yes.
Ngăn chặn độc
Yeah, so what can people do?
What can people do? We need to we need to plant
more trees. Yes, it's nice. Exactly. And what else?
Save water.
Exactly. Yes, we need to save water.
And yeah, I think that's all.
And we need to change the way that we cause the bad effect to the environment. Climate change it could be one of the reasons why droughts happen more frequently. Yes, because climate change, it means that in some places on Earth, there could be more rain, but in some other places there could be less rain. That's why drought may happen. It could be a result of climate change. So we have to change, or we have to stop hurting the environment. Yeah, and it could be one of the ways to prevent droughts. But your ideas are very nice, because we should save water. Yeah, and we should what did you say? To save water and what else?
Plant trees.
Plant more trees. Okay, yeah, that's nice. Because our trees or forests can help to hold the water in the land. Yeah, and we need to save water. Okay. And number 3, what causes a tsunami?
Tsunami là sóng thần.
Yeah, a tsunami. What causes a tsunami?
Nguyên nhân sóng thần à?
Cái gì gây ra sóng thần?
The earthquake
That's right. Yeah, an earthquake may cause a tsunami. And number 4 is the earth really getting warmer? Do you think that the earth is getting warmer?
Yes.
Yes, I agree. Yeah, I felt that the weather was warmer than it was many years ago. Now I'm 36 years old, and when I was 6 or 5 years old, the how to say, the winter were colder than
Yeah.
it is right now. But what about your opinion? Do you think that the Earth is really getting warmer or not?
Yes, the Earth is getting warmer.
Yeah, yes, right.
The temperature is
Temperature.
temperature
Yeah.
is higher than
Higher. Yes, right. Here we have the word temperature. Nếu mình nhấn vào cái ray này thì mình sẽ thành, mình nhấn vào đây thì sẽ nhấn cho âm sai rồi. Nó là temperature.
temperature.
Yeah. Hoặc là có một số từ như là literature, hoặc là comfortable. Yeah. Thì mình nhấn cho âm temperature. Thì đây nó cũng thế, nó là literature. Yes. Ngày trước thì nhiều bạn hay phát âm là literature, và nhấn cho âm sai thì nó lại thành là âm ray, nhưng nó chỉ là âm r thôi, bởi vì nó không nhận trọng âm. Đây, nhấn cho âm vào âm số 1 nó sẽ là literature, và đây sẽ là temperature. Literature. Comfortable. Không là comfortable nhé. Comfortable. Yes. Literature. Temperature. Phiên âm nó gần như là temperature. Okay, number 5. What will happen if the North and South poles melt? Oh, this is a very interesting question. North and the South poles. North pole là Bắc cực, South pole là Nam cực. The pole.
tan.
Nếu mà băng ở Bắc cực và Nam cực tan ra, so what happened? What will happen?
The water in the sea
Yeah, the sea level will
go higher.
Yes, right. Go higher. Yeah.
The land
Yes, right.
will down.
Yes, exactly.
And the sea.
Correct. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, the sea level rises, and yeah, some part of our land could be flooded. Yeah. Some parts of the land could be flooded, could be covered by water. And it's really bad because yeah, like Vietnam, because we have the sea, we have a long coastal line. That's why when the sea level rises, so we could be affected seriously, because Vietnam is next to the sea, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Now read the Q&A article. Match the questions 1 to 5 in 3B to paragraph A to E and word your answer correct. Here we have the 5 paragraphs.
Yeah.
A, it's a tsunami caused by earthquakes under the ocean, or they can also be caused by landslide or volcano erupting. Thế cái này erupt nó là sự bùng nổ, nó là bùng nổ, hoặc là how to say, bùng nổ, hoặc là tức là nó là phun trào ấy. Volcano eruption, erupting nó là cái sự phun trào núi lửa, nó không phải sụp đổ đâu, nó ngược với sụp đổ đấy, nó là nó bùng ra chứ nó không phải là sụp xuống.
Yeah.
A large quantity of water is pushed to the surface of the ocean, creating waves. Okay, so A, what is it about? We have to match with the questions in 3B. Here we have 5 questions. And part A, the text A is about
Earth.
yes. Yeah, what causes a tsunami? Yeah.
What?
Question C.
Yeah.
Question 3. What causes a tsunami? And explains
Yeah.
how a tsunami may be formed. Yeah. And B, a drought is caused by not enough rainfall, and of course we can't control the weather. A drought is caused by not enough rainfall.
2. What can
Number
do?
2, yes, what can people do to help prevent droughts? And C, and here you can see that are yeah, in our text B, droughts often happen because all the trees have been cut down in a particular area. Yeah, so you were right? Yeah, to prevent drought, we should plant more trees and save the water.
Yeah.
Yes, and you're right. And part C, if this happens, the sea levels will rise around the world, and a lot of towns and cities on the coast will be flooded. It's
Sea level. Cái gì nhỉ?
what will
5.
happen
5.
if the North and South poles melt. Number
Yeah.
5, yes, right. And D is not. It's still not possible to make an accurate prediction of the place, time, and strength of an earthquake. However, it is possible to predict which places are going to be hit by an earthquake sometime in the future. It's still not possible to make an accurate prediction of the place, time, and strength of an earthquake. So it's
1.
number 1. Yes, exactly. Yeah, can people predict where and when earthquakes will happen? And the last one, part E, yes, it is. The world's temperature has been measured accurately for about 150 years, and it shows that on average, it has increased about 1.5 degrees Celsius.
The Earth's getting warmer.
Yes, right. The Earth is really getting warmer. Yes, nice.
Yeah.
Now it's time to read the article and answer the questions.
Why the? Okay.
Now we need to read the article. A tsunami is caused by earthquakes under the ocean, or they can also be caused by landslide or volcano erupting. A large quantity of water is pushed to the surface of the ocean, creating waves. In the deep ocean, these waves are small, but they get bigger and more dangerous as they get closer to the coast because the ocean is less deep there. The tsunami in South Asia in 2004 destroyed a large number of coastal towns and villages, and about 250,000 people were killed. Oh my goodness, 250,000 people. Sóng thần mà 250.000 người chết. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Hình như là ở Indonesia có phải không nhỉ?
I don't know.
Yeah, okay. B, a drought is caused by not enough rainfall. And of course, we can't control the weather, not yet anyway. Droughts often happen because all the trees have been cut down in a particular area. This means the rainwater evaporates because it isn't held in the ground by the trees. So part of the solution is to plant more trees. In North Africa, tens of millions of trees are going to be planted in the next decade, which may help to reduce the number of droughts in the region. See, if this happens, the sea level will rise around the world, and lots of towns and cities on the coast will be flooded. This is a frightening thought because over half of the world's population live near the coast, and many of these places will be destroyed. It's still not possible to make an accurate prediction of the place, time, and strength of an earthquake. However, it is possible to predict which places are going to be hit by an earthquake sometime in the future. A recent report identified the 5 most likely places for future earthquakes as the Caribbean, Chile, Indonesia, Japan, and North America. Yes, it is. The world's temperature has been measured accurately for about 150 years, and it shows that on average, it has increased by about 1.5 degrees Celsius. Also, 8 of the 10 hottest years have been recorded in the last two decades, which is very good evidence that this increase in temperature is being caused by man-made climate change. Yeah. So now it's time for you to answer the questions here. Why do tsunami get stronger near the coast? Near the coast, yeah, the tsunami is stronger. Why?
Stronger. Because
Yeah. In deep ocean, these waves are small, but they get bigger and more dangerous as they get closer to the coast because the ocean is less deep there. So the reason is the ocean is less deep there.
Yeah.
Yeah, bởi vì cái thềm lục địa cái chỗ mà gần bờ biển ấy thì là nước biển nó ít sâu hơn, nó cạn hơn, cho nên là khi mà có sóng thì là nó sẽ nổi lên. Còn ở những cái vùng mà biển sâu ấy, thì là cái đấy nó bình thường nhé. Thế đây chính là lý do mà tại sao mà cái tsunami nó lại cao hơn khi mà nó ở gần bờ biển. Bởi vì nước ở bờ biển xa thì ở biển sâu thì nó sâu hơn, còn ở gần biển thì đương nhiên là nó sẽ cạn hơn rồi. Yeah. Thì cạn hơn nó sẽ tạo ra các con sóng.
Liên quan lắm nhỉ.
Đây người ta giải thích như vậy.
Yeah.
Okay, and next question. Why does cutting down trees cause droughts? Yeah, cutting down trees can cause droughts. And why?
Because the rainwater
Evaporates. Yeah, right. Because it easily held in the ground by the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right. Exactly. When we cut down the trees, so trees can hold water. Yeah, on the land, on the soil. And if we cut down many trees, so the rainwater evaporates immediately after the rain. Nước mưa nó bốc hơi ngay sau khi mà mưa thì nó không được giữ lại trong đất. Yeah. And it may cause droughts. And number 3, what percentage of the world's population live on or near the coast?
Percentage of the world.
Cái tỷ lệ của người mà của cái dân số thế giới mà những người sống ở gần hoặc là trên bờ biển. The coast, bờ biển, bãi biển, bờ biển.
Yeah. Over half the world.
Yes, right. Over half the population, the world's population live near or on the coast. Hơn một nửa dân số thì sống ở gần bờ biển. Which parts of the world are more likely to be hit by earthquakes?
Which part of the world more likely
to be hit by earthquakes? We have
which part?
Which part of the world? Here we have 5 most likely places for future earthquakes. In part D, the Caribbean, Chile, Indonesia, yeah, Japan, and North America. Yeah, these are the places and regions that could have more earthquake than the other places in the world. Ở đây nó có Caribbean là biển Caribe. Can you or do you know where Caribbean is? Caribbean Sea, vùng biển
No,
Caribe ở nơi mà nó ở giữa, nó ở cái khu mà như kiểu Trung Mỹ ấy.
I heard that.
Yes, right. Những cái nước như là Cuba này, Haiti này, hoặc là Haiti với cái nước gì nhỉ? Dominican Republic. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ở cái khu vực Trung Mỹ này nó là biển Caribe. Chile. Chile, do you know this country?
Yeah. I heard.
Chile. Yeah, Chile là cái nước mà nó có cái bờ biển, có cái chiều ngang rất là hẹp, nó ở dọc 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 Nam Mỹ. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Indonesia in
Yeah.
Southeast Asia, right? Japan,
Yeah.
Nhật và North America, Bắc Mỹ. Yeah. Thì đấy là những cái vùng mà sẽ dễ gặp động đất. Okay.
Part of the world. Yes.
Okay. And number 5, what evidence is there for global warming?
What is written?
Evidence là bằng chứng, yeah, chứng cứ. Bằng chứng nào cho thấy có cái sự nóng lên toàn cầu? Cái sự nóng lên toàn cầu nó thực sự xảy ra, thực sự.
The day we what is
Yeah. Yeah. On average, the temperature has increased by 1.5 degrees Celsius. Yeah, trong vòng 150 năm trở lại đây thì cái nhiệt độ trung bình thì nó tăng 1,5 độ C.
Yes.
And that's all. The reading. Is it hard?
A little bit.
Yes. Okay, now let's move to our grammar. Passive. Passive là câu bị động. Yeah, do we need to review this one? To
Yeah.
learn about passive. Okay. Passive, câu bị động thì nó là, đây em nhìn lên các cái phần ở các cái bài này thì những cái phần mà nó in đậm này thì nó đều là câu bị động, thì mình sẽ thấy nó là câu bị động thì kết cấu của nó sẽ là to be cộng verb phân từ 2. Now, ví dụ people were killed, trees or have been cut down thì nó đều có cấu trúc là to be cộng với lại phân từ 2. Ví dụ như là yeah, I kicked Tom on his back. Tôi đá vào lưng Tom chẳng hạn. Yeah. Thì chúng ta thấy là đây nó là thì quá khứ đơn. Yeah, tôi đá Tom vào lưng của cậu ấy. Yeah. Thì thế thì chúng ta sẽ thấy là tôi đá vào Tom thì có nghĩa là Tom bị tôi đá, đúng không? Thì mình sẽ lấy cái tân ngữ của cái câu chủ động này là cái Tom này. Mình làm chủ.
Was.
Yeah, đúng rồi. Tom was kicked on the back by me. Yeah. Thì đấy mình sẽ lấy cái tân ngữ này làm chủ ngữ. Và sau đấy thì chúng ta sẽ chia động từ. Thì cái động từ đấy thì chúng ta chỉ chia động từ to be thôi. Chứ mình không chia cái động từ cái này, bởi vì là sau này chắc chắn là verb 2 rồi. Là dạng phân từ 2 rồi. Đó. Thì ví dụ như là nếu mà đối với động từ to be chẳng hạn, yeah. Ví dụ như là I can make this dish. Yeah, tôi có thể làm cái món ăn này chẳng hạn. Thì mình có thể chuyển thành câu chủ động, câu bị động như nào?
The dish is
Nó mình phải giữ nguyên, phải là can be made by
yeah.
me. Yeah. Thì mình phải giữ nguyên cái thì của động từ là mình phải giữ nguyên nhé.
Yes.
Yeah. Nếu mà bây giờ là can make thì nó sẽ là can be made hoặc là will chẳng hạn. Yeah. She will punish him. Yeah, cô ấy sẽ trừng phạt anh ta. Thế thì chúng ta sẽ đổi lại là gì?
He will be
Yes, đúng rồi, will be punished
punished
by her. Yeah, he will be punished by her. Vậy đấy. Hoặc là yeah, they cut this cut this tree down.
this tree.
Thì sẽ thành
This tree
has been cut
I guess has been
by them. By them thì mình có thể viết hoặc mình có thể bỏ đi cũng được. Yeah. Cái by them này thì chúng ta có thể bỏ. Yeah. Thì mình chỉ cần viết là this tree has been cut down. Yeah. Đó thì chúng ta vẫn phải giữ nguyên cái thì đấy nhé. Thì đối với thì hiện tại hoàn thành thì mình sẽ là phải có has cộng với verb phân từ hai đúng không? Cho nên là nó sẽ trở thành như này, sẽ là has been cut down by them. Đối với thì hiện tại tiếp diễn thì sao? Tom, yeah. Ví dụ như là the teacher is shouting at Tom. Yeah, giáo viên đang hét vào mặt Tom. Thế thì mình đổi lại Tom đang bị giáo viên hét vào mặt thì nói nào?
Tom đang bị Tom is
Yes.
shut
No, being shouted
yeah
by the teacher. Yeah. Thì nó sẽ là being shouted at.
yeah
Nó phải đóng nó phải cái bị động này ở thì tiếp diễn ấy, thì nó phải đóng nó phải tức là nó phải có hai cái yếu tố. Thứ nhất đó là to be cộng verb in và to be cộng verb phân từ hai. Thế cho nên là nó sẽ thành là to be cộng với being shouted. Yeah. Hoặc là a fish is being cooked by the chef. Yeah, it's being cooked. Hoặc là yeah, Tom has been Tom has been bullied. Rồi.
Bạo lực cái gì ấy?
Bị bắt nạt. Yeah. Đây ví dụ như là yeah, a group of students have been bullied. Have been bullying Tom. Yeah, một nhóm học sinh thì vừa mới bắt nạt Tom. Yeah. Thì bây giờ mình đó nó là thì hiện tại hoàn thành tiếp diễn nha. Thế thì mình chuyển như nào trở thành thì thành câu bị động thì chúng sẽ vẫn là Tom thôi. Tom gì nữa?
Has have been
being bullied by a group of students. Yeah. Thì là đấy thì hiện tại hoàn thành tiếp diễn thì nó phải có have này cộng verb phân từ hai cộng với verb in đúng không? Thì bây giờ nó sẽ has been being bullied.
Yeah.
Yes. hơi ấy nhỉ, hơi loằng ngoằng. Chỗ này nó dùng being bởi vì là đây ví dụ như câu là the teacher is shouting at Tom. Nhà giáo viên đang hét vào mặt Tom chẳng hạn. Thì Tom đang bị hét vào mặt bởi giáo viên đúng không?
Nó có phổ biến trong
có.
Ok.
Đây nó là câu bị động nhỉ. Thì thường đây ví dụ em xem này, ví dụ như là cái câu ở phần B này chẳng hạn have been cut down thì nó chính là thì hiện tại hoàn thành. Đương nhiên là nếu mà cái thì hiện tại hoàn thành tiếp diễn này thì nó ít Yeah. Đây chỉ là
Yeah.
mang tính hiệu thôi nhưng mà người ta ít sử dụng. Nhưng mà những cái ví dụ câu về thì quá khứ này, hiện tại hoàn thành này,
Yeah.
đó thì người ta vẫn sẽ dùng, hoặc là will be flooded, yeah. Thì tương lai đơn thì người ta vẫn sẽ dùng, hoặc là are going to be hit, yeah.
Okay.
Hoặc là đây cái câu số phần E chẳng hạn, nó có is being caused by man-made climate change, is being caused by thì nó là thì hiện tại tiếp diễn, yeah. Thì đây chính là phần grammar. Okay. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Có cần nhắc lại không? Hay là lấy ví dụ không?
Em cũng hay dùng nhưng mà
Okay, it's nice.
từ đơn giản thôi.
Now it's time to move to part 6. Pronunciation. Listen and practice. Copy the stress and weak forms. Tsunamis are caused by earthquakes under the ocean. Okay, giờ cho cùng nghe nhé.
Tsunamis are
Number 30.
Track 30. Tsunamis are caused by earthquakes under the ocean.
Tsunamis are caused by earthquake under the ocean.
Can also be caused by a landslide or a volcano erupting.
Câu này nó dài đấy. Đây, cái đoạn nào nhỉ?
Ở đâu ấy?
Đoạn số 1, tsunami.
Caused by earthquakes under the ocean.
Or they can also be caused by landslide or volcano erupting.
They can also be caused by a landslide or a volcano erupting.
So,
About 250,000 people were killed.
About 250,000 people were killed.
Droughts often happen because all the trees have been cut down.
Droughts often happen because all the trees have been cut down.
A lot of towns and cities on the coast will be flooded.
A lot of towns and cities on the coast will be flooded.
It's possible to predict which places are going to be hit by an earthquake.
It's possible to predict which places are going to be hit by an earthquake.
This increase in temperature is being caused by man-made climate change.
This increase in temperature is being caused by man-made climate change.
By man-made climate change.
Climate change.
Climate change.
Okay. Okay, now let's move to part 8. Look at the photo. Which city is it and what problems does this city have?
Cái này quen.
Is it Venice? Or
Yes.
Amsterdam? I'm not very sure. Okay, you can do this at home, okay?
Yeah.
Because now I have to join another class with my
Yeah.
friend. Yeah.
Okay. It's okay.
Okay, thank you.
See you.
Yeah.